Hi YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel Code Master Lab. In this video, we are going to see one question which is asked by the professor of Wright State University. He asked there is a file with any name where you have text file it is, where you have list of songs mentioned in a new lines. Okay, and then we need to check if any other song is adding, then it is mentioned in that file or not. So create a text file containing the names of 3 or more favorite songs. So design and execute a program. So, in a programming language of your choice, we will be using PHP, as our channel mostly focused on PHP. We use PHP. Your program must read the contents of the file and ensure that the song names do not repeat in the playlist. That's a simple thing. Please refer to the example input. So the input they have given. So let's get started. For that, what we'll do, we will always go to our folder. We'll on the XAMPP. MySQL is not required here. Text file, we need to read it out. That's it. We'll create one folder. Name test. Okay. And here you go. CMD. Let's open the file in the VS Code. Now, as they have mentioned, to create a text file, right? So we will create songs.txt file. Okay, let's rename it songs.txt. Right. We will close the black box. We'll close this as well. Here we will write song 1, song 2, song 3. Okay, this will save it out. Now we'll create one more file, index.php. Let's open the PHP tag and close the PHP tag. Now we will just test song. Okay, we'll test the song like again song 4 is the song which is not available in this. Okay, it is not available in this. So what we'll do, we will just will have one more variable, file contents. Okay, where we will just open the file. To open a file, we'll have a file name. File name is like songs.txt, comma, we'll just use file, ignore new lines, we'll use this, and or we'll also use file skipped empty lines. We'll use this as well. Okay, now what does it happen? I'll show you. It will convert all the file names into an array. Let us print it. Print r. Let's print r. Let's check what's present in the file name. Just I'm saving it out. Now to execute this, just open any browser, click on localhost. Now what was our file name? It was test. So as you know, always it starts from index.php websites. So here you go, you got your array. Now we need to check whether this is present in this or not. So how to do that? If we'll use an inbuilt function in array where you'll have the search value. So search value is the test song, and where to search array of song list. So array of list will be file contents. Now if it is present, then we will echo song exists else we will echo song doesn't exist. That's it. Simple. Okay, now let's go check song doesn't exist. Now we'll give one thing like free which is present song exist. Simple program which was asked. Now you can have a new line and you can use like song 4. Now when I check for 4 is there. Okay, now that's how. If I give it a blank, does not exist. Why? We have skipped the empty lines. If you make sure, if you don't write this, then empty lines is also added. That's a simple video, simple question which was asked by Wright State professor, and mostly we have completed this in very small lines of code, like 9 lines.